Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A family of six living on Hudson Street in Russia, Westmoreland is desperately seeking the public's assistance in securing a comfortable home. Kian Morgan has their story.
To get to Alia Biput's house, one must first walk through the stench of stagnant water, a rusty zinc fence riddled with holes, and through these scraps of board. Sitting on mere blocks, this house is proof that all who reside here are living on the edge.
Right now the house is kind of low. It's not really like us. Come sometime I find a hole in it. Hole kind of in the house right now. Kind of low, but sometime when the rain fall, the water go up high.
Alia is mother to 4 children, 3 boys and a girl. The oldest child is 8 years old, while the youngest is 1. When you include their father, this is where 6 people get a night's rest. The unemployed 29-year-old woman says though things were hard from the onset, her situation worsened with the pandemic.
Sometimes maybe a father will make in, another time he make like $1,000 and he will give it to me and I cook. And then another time again around, we will look at times until he make a little other money and then we will get it. But not like that. My mother-in-law we cook and give me children them.
With no inside amenities, everyone is subjected to using the outside bathroom and toilet. And when it rains, there are leaks everywhere. With nowhere to store their clothes, they're kept in spaces throughout the house. Yet another indication that urgent help is needed.
Little flour, little rice or any little thing come here, any little thing. Because normally every other week we go around our church to collect food stuff.
Alia, who yearns for a better life for her children, says the little her spouse earns as a fisherman is not enough to make ends meet. She is willing to work.
We try for my own and help my kids them too. I can't do restaurant work. Like we wash plate because I used to work at one restaurant.
If you want to assist, Alia can be reached at 876-598-8072. Kian Morgan, TVJ News.